In this lecture, we are going to discuss the most important topic of society, diversity, or cultural diversity. Before we start, let me give you an outline of what we are going to discuss. First, we will look at the PYQS. I need not explain the importance of PYQS, you are all aware of it. And then we will start with the definitions. Definitions are important because even to understand the question correctly, you need to be clear on definitions. Also, many times you can just start writing your answer with definitions. For example, these are the list of the keywords asked by UPSC on this topic. You need to have clear and concise definitions and examples for all such keywords. Don't worry, we will provide both the definitions and examples. After the definitions, we will discuss the value-added points. These points are required to substantiate your arguments in the answers. The first question is about diversity among the tribal communities. Tribal diversity is a very well-known fact. But if you write any data or examples or even a map to prove the diversity, then your answer will have a small edge. For these two questions, you need to know the definitions of sect, customs, and traditions. In addition, if you can write some examples, it will be a nice answer. Finally, we will also provide reasonably good introductions, conclusions, diagrams, quotes, etc. to further enrich your answers. All the best to all of you. Let's begin the lesson. I suggest you to pause here and request you to write answers at least for these two questions. After the completion of the lecture, try to come back here and check your answers. You will discover a lot of possibilities to improve your answers for diversity topic. These are the list of previous year cues.